Hi there, tow trucker back. Looks like we got a wrecked car here. This office, I just left the office here. They told me to get this car out of here. It's wrecked, and they don't want it here. So, we'll go ahead and load it up, man. Anyway, I don't know very many properties that allow you to have a total out car on the property. They just don't allow it. Anyway, we're gonna sign it out, man, and roll it to the yard. Hey there, this next one up right here is a wrecked Kia Sorento, and the office gave this person extra time. They extended the deadline on this car, and they still got it on the property. The deadline ran out yesterday. So we're gonna load up this wrecked car. It's pretty rough. Hey there.
Yeah, he wants to talk to you because they have, they showed him something.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing today, sir?
Doing good, no good.
I had an agreement with the apartment complex on the 10th. I was actually going to get a trailer to go get it today. Did they just send you over here, or how did that work? So I can call and complain about this.
Well, they got it wrote down the 8th, man.
Yeah, okay. I'm going to call them because they should know. All right. Fuck. And I'm assuming there's no way you can go up there and just talk to them real quick, because, I mean, I'll call them while you're going up there.
I can tell you this, man. You had they gave you till the 8th, man, to fix it, to get it off the property, man. And the reason they do this, man, wreck cars, man, they can't have them on property, man. They're riding around trying to rent units out. They can't have junk cars here. That's why they do this. And not to mention it's code violations. And I'm not trying to be mean or hard to you, man. I'm just telling you what they do. This is what they do. They told them, man. They wrote down you had till 12/8 of 2019 to get it off the property, and it's 12/9 today.
Yeah, and I called them and said, hey, would I be able to get a couple days, extra? They said, yeah, until the 10th, which is a Tuesday, which I'm going to, pick it up tomorrow with a trailer. I don't have the trailer today. I was going to get it tomorrow. So this is what I'm saying. Like, I'm not going to fucking pay these fees. And I don't mean to cuss, like...
I understand your frustration, man. I understand. And I'm not here to be mean to you or make it hard on you. Yeah. I'm just here doing my job, man.
Would you be able to, like, give me a couple minutes to call him, and then I'll call my wife back so we can get everything kind of straight? Because if so, I'm going to take these fucking apartment complexes to court, because
listen, let me give you some advice, man. As far as taking them to court, man, you ain't got a chance in snowball's chance in hell of beating them at court, man. And I'm not trying to throw off on you. I'm just telling you, they do this, man. This is not the only property, man. All these properties around, they have to manage the properties, and part of their management, man, is to make sure that the cars on property are in decent condition. For the simple fact, man, they have to abide by code enforcement rules, which is what they do. If they have to tow your car in order to abide by the rules, then that's what they do. But I'll go to the office. If somebody told you the 10th, then they may ask me to put it back. On the form I got right here, it says 12/8/19. If somebody gave you till the 10th in the office, then I'll have them check with everybody in the office. If they really told you the 10th, they might have me put it back. But if they didn't tell you the 10th, man, then you're gonna have to pay it out.
All right, well, I'll definitely. I'm gonna call the office right now.
Okay.
And then,
all right.
Settled.
Yep.
All right, thank you.
Yep. Anyway, I'm pulling out with the wrecked car. Just like the office told him, he had till the 8th. And it's getting towed. She told me to get it off the property. Anyway, moving on to the next one. Hey, tow trucker back, man. We got one blocking the entrance right here. I'm at this gas station over here, and somebody's blocked. Somebody's abandoned their car in the entrance right here. So these people have called, told me to get it off the property. So that's what we're getting ready to do. I'm gonna load it up. Car right here got a broken axle in the back. Not an axle, but the A-arm in the back just broke off. But I did not damage this car when I loaded it. If I'd have left it pressed up against there, it would have tore the vehicle up. But it's already got damage from where it came off. I just try not to damage them. Trying to damage the cars any worse than they already are. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna keep it moving, man, and head on to the yard, man, after I sign it out. And I just talked to this store owner when I signed my ticket out, man. He said that car had been sitting in the driveway for a week. You know, granted, it is messed up. It's got a big problem with the mechanicals of the car, but you know, a week's plenty of time for somebody to come over here and tow it. This guy that runs this gas station, he's a pretty nice guy to wait that long. He was trying to help the person by letting them come get it. But they just didn't show up, man. So it's going to the lot. We're out. Anyway, they're calling this car right here in to tow it out of here, man. They're doing some kind of project, man, restriping or doing something with this road. This thing looks like it's wrecked. You can't leave wrecked cars sitting around in big apartment complexes like this one. Anyway, time to roll out. Head on back to the yard. Yeah.
That's my girlfriend car right there.
I did not know that. So my car is broken.
Yeah, I understand. It's wrecked.
I have it registered.
Yeah. Well, it's got a March 19. Not to be mean, it's got a March 19 on it. It's wrecked.
Right, but no,
Yeah.
I have to get it fixed. I've lived here for 2 years. That's my car.
I understand, but they got regulations they gotta keep up. And having a wrecked car, a bad tag, it's getting towed. Ain't nothing I can do about it. I mean, I didn't pick the car. I didn't just show up and pick the car.
I didn't know that. That's fine.
Yeah.
Where am I supposed
I'm
to
sorry.
Because they're gonna have to pay for it because that's.
They're not gonna pay for it.
Huh?
I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just doing my job. But
So where can I get the?
hey, let me give you the address. They're actually trying to upgrade.
No, I get that. It's no big deal. I'm just saying I didn't know.
I'll tell you what they're trying to do. They're trying to upgrade it, and they're repainting some of the parking. And it just happened to be that car was in the wrong spot, and it's wrecked, and the tag's bad.
Okay, so
She don't like to. They don't like to tow, but they have to. They have to tow. Yep. Sorry.
It's fine.
Y'all have a good one. Yep. Anyway, it's the way it goes, man.